If you want to navigate pages with a text cursor in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Caret Browsing, use the keyboard to move around web pages, highlight text, and then turn it off when you're done. This is a super useful feature if you prefer keyboard navigation, want more precise control while reading, or just want to browse without constantly reaching for your mouse. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to enable the feature. The shortcut for Caret Browsing is F7, so go ahead and press F7 on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Chrome should show a pop-up asking whether you want to enable Caret Browsing. This confirmation is important because Chrome is asking for permission before switching on the text cursor navigation mode. Now click Turn On in the pop-up. Once you do that, you'll notice a child cursor appear on web pages. This cursor works a lot like the one you see in a document editor, and it lets you move through page content using just your keyboard. That means you can place the cursor inside text, move between lines, and interact with web page text more precisely than with normal mouse scrolling. To navigate, use your arrow keys on the keyboard. The up and down arrows help you move through text and page content, while the left and right arrows let you move more precisely within text. If you want to select text as you go, hold Shift and use the arrow keys at the same time. That lets you highlight words, sentences, or lines without needing to drag with your mouse. This is especially helpful if you need to copy text from a page, edit something, or just read content more comfortably. Caret Browsing can also make browsing feel faster once you get used to it. Instead of clicking around the screen, you can keep your hands on the keyboard and move through web pages more efficiently. It's a really handy accessibility feature, but it's also great for anyone who likes keyboard shortcuts and wants a smoother workflow in Chrome. When you're finished using it, turning it off is just as easy. Press F7 again on your keyboard. That will disable Caret Browsing and remove the text cursor from web pages, returning Chrome to its normal browsing mode. So that's how to enable navigate pages with text cursor in Chrome using Caret Browsing. It only takes a few seconds, and once you know the shortcut, it's really simple to turn on and off whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.